Oh yeah, he's cruising up.
This will be interesting.
Yeah.
I'm surprised there weren't more of them.
Everybody's got to eat.
Look at them jump. They jump in that water. The croc's getting closer and closer.
Oh, there's one very close.
Is he going under?
No, he's
still there. There it is. Whoops.
Well, he's going under.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Croc's gone under.
What's this? Yeah, you get him. Is that wildebeest is frozen down there. So. Oh man, look at that. There he's a deader.
Got him. Got him.
He's under. Poor kid.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it's.
Is he getting away?
He's got him. No, he's got him.
Yeah.
That's why they've stopped. Oh no, now they're plunging in again.
Now he's taking him under the water.
Oh, there's a hippo. Just emerged.
You gonna drown him?
Yeah.
There you go.
Just his nose by the water. Oh,
We saw it.
yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's sad.
It was an unfair fight, wasn't it? Now they've all stopped. What will that croc do? Will he take it somewhere? Will the crocodile take the baby? Yeah. Oh yeah. Leave it down there, you mean? Leave it on the bottom of the river, huh? So now the wildebeest have stopped going.